Hi, this is Sal with Grow Your Garden with Sal. It is mid-October and we are pulling up our summer crops in order to plant our greens. Our plants are planted into what's called a wicking tub. The wicking tub is a 55-gallon drum with one hole 5 inches up. It has no drainage holes. On the bottom of the container, the only drainage hole is the one hole 5 inches up. This keeps the water collected in the bottom 5 inches of the container so that you don't have to water all the time. So Sherry right here is pulling out the weeds that have gathered around our crops. We already pulled out our summer crops. She's recharging the soil with some soil from Resoil, also Black Cow, and then later on we're going to add some professional growing mix called Sun Grow. So you can see her pulling them out. We have these pipes in there in order to put water down into, get it into that holding container. But I found just putting a hose in there and letting the water run until the water actually comes out of the hole that we have, which is the one drainage hole that we have 5 inches from the bottom of the container. So the reason why you want to recharge the soil each time is that your plant ate everything out, all the nutrients out of your soil. So if you don't recompost, it's just not going to grow. This is like restocking the fridge for your next attendance. Kind of think of it as an Airbnb. So we got to get everything neat, and we got to get everything mixed up really well. We've got to get the refrigerator restocked. So Sherry right here is helping us mix up this soil. And if you can see, this soil is really beautiful. Please do not use topsoil in your garden. You need good garden soil. The Sun Grow doesn't have any compost in it, but it's nice and fluffy, and it helps with the moisture control. So you don't get too much moisture, and your soil doesn't hold not enough moisture. So the Sun Grow really helps. And right here we're planting our collards. We're planting them pretty close together. Now this is a 55-gallon drum cut in half. We plant them close because every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how fast they grow, we are cutting the collards and they keep regrowing. So you'll cut them about 3 inches up. And as you can see right here, Lily's cutting lettuce, and that lettuce that she cuts is going to come right back up every about 4 to 6 weeks, according to the weather. And we really appreciate it and hope that you will come check us out.
Hi, this is Sal from Grow Your Garden with Sal. Every Saturday at 8 a.m. on The Point, we'll give you tips on gardening and planting while showcasing local farms. Join us here Saturday mornings at 8 a.m. right here on The Point.